Hey South Jersey, I'm Meteorologist Joe Martucci. Tonight we're going to have something called radiational cooling, where the heat from the day can escape straight into outer space. And to get that, you need calm winds, you need clear nights, and you need low dew points. And how about these? We're only in the single digits. Chapstick weather. It's a chapstick alert tonight. That is dry enough air to get us pretty low, and even as we go into the northern half of the state, dew points at or below zero. Now this is all because of a hulking high pressure system out here in Minnesota. We're going to get northwesterly winds that come down from this as we have today, but that will continue into tomorrow as well, and that will keep with the colder and the drier air. As we go into Wednesday, high pressure moves just over our area, so we don't get that northerly flow, but we do get slightly drier air here, and temperatures just about seasonable in the low 40s for this time of year, and that is where we will be on Wednesday. As we go into Thursday, high pressure just a little bit offshore, and as we go into Friday too, it will do the same. And that will mean southerly air, and temperatures will be in the low 50s for our high temperatures on Friday. Now we are talking about this system here out in Illinois, and that will be here for the weekend. And let's talk to you about the weekend here. We'll jump all the way ahead to Saturday. There's two scenarios at play. First one is that low pressure system stays well inland and then cuts up into the Appalachian Mountains. That means we are definitely playing rain. We have southerly air with that. Scenario two shows a low pressure system going off the Delmarva coast, hugging the Jersey Shore. Now that's not a good path for you snow lovers out there. It's still rain, but there is a little hope, if you like the snow, that some of this back end cold air comes in just enough to change us over at the end. I don't think we would really see any accumulations from this, but enough to get us a little bit in the wintry spirit here. I think these temperatures get us in the wintry spirit too. We'll be sliding through the 20s and even into the teens on the mainland by 11 p.m. It's a light northwesterly wind. Winds will only diminish as we go on here into the overnight hours. We see teens for much of the mainland here. Laurel Lake 16, Pleasantville 16, Atlantic City 20 as well. And then as we go into Tuesday, mid-30s for us here, and similar temperatures to today, but less wind than yesterday when we were talking, or today I should say, when we had sustained winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Daytime planner, some issues with the temperatures here if you're going for a run in the morning or doing shopping out in Smithville and Cape May. I know it can be cold out there for a while, but if you're taking down decorations, I think you have enough time to do that. I don't think it'll be overly cold, especially if you're running in and out of the house. And construction looks okay here. Of course, it is not raining. Here's our mainland 7-day forecast. One thing too about this low temperature, that could be our coldest low temperature of the winter so far. We are in potential for that. Actually, it would be the second latest that we have been that cold for our first coldest night of the year. So put in other words, 17 degrees. There's only been 2 times in history it has been this late in season that we do see a low temperature of 17. Otherwise, we'll take you all the way to Friday. There's our 52 degrees. Saturday's that rain here, and then Sunday mostly cloudy. It's going to be windy both Saturday and Sunday. We'll be watching out for coastal flooding as well. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at AC Press Martucci, or you can sign up for my Something in the Air newsletter at thepressafac.com/weather.